Ugh, drives me crazy. So many people just teach you the wrong way to do it. The wrong way to do affiliate marketing. Do you want to know the right way? If you do, I'm going to show you right now. Hey, what's up everybody? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to another affiliate marketing training. I'm especially excited about today's video because I'm going to address one of the biggest problems with the way people are teaching and doing affiliate marketing with Clickbank and other networks. Look, there are a lot of videos out there that include great strategies for beginners. They're designed to lower the barrier of entry, right? So you don't feel like you need a website, upfront investment, or even an email list. And that's fine, because sometimes we need to learn things step by step. I even have some videos on this channel like that, right? But I'd be lying to you if I told you that you can build a long-term, sustainable business building an empire like the gurus you see online just by these methods. No. To build a real business that could potentially replace your 9-to-5, you need to take your strategies up a notch, build real assets, and recognize that growing an online business, it takes patience. But don't worry, because while on the road to success isn't easy, it's pretty simple to understand, and I can break it down for you in a matter of just a few minutes. So watch until the end of this video, because I'm about to show you how to use Clickbank the right way and how you can turn this into a full-time business. Step number 1, pick a niche with multiple products you can promote. I see this all the time. People find one product that they really like on Clickbank. They think they can promote that, so they go all in on that one product. The problem is, that's the wrong way to use Clickbank, okay? What you want to do is pick a niche that has many products you can promote, and you'll see why in just a minute, okay? So, what niches have a lot of products? I like to stick with the top 3, health, wealth, and relationships, okay? Now, you can drill down from these niches to make yourself truly unique and stand out. But at the end of the day, you want to stay in these categories because, listen, not only are there just a ton of products in these categories, people are willing to spend a lot of money to have better health, better wealth, and stronger relationships, right? So it all just kind of comes together and works. Step number 2, never link directly to Clickbank. Let's say you're posting reviews and videos on YouTube, okay? Or maybe you're engaging with people in Facebook groups or Reddit threads, all right? What most marketers do when they're just getting started is they send people straight to the Clickbank sales page for the product that they're promoting. They just take their little affiliate link, boom, send people there. And look, that's fine if you're just getting started and this is all brand new to you. But here's the thing. The right way to do this for long-term success is to send people to an opt-in page where you can build your email list. Look, the reason this works is because often Clickbank's sales page or the sales video or whatever product you're selling will contain some really helpful information that people would honestly want to know. I was actually just watching a sales video for one of their products the other day, and I learned a ton about the benefits of fasting for losing weight. Not that I need to lose a lot of weight, but I was still studying it, okay? So before you let them have access to that information, you want to collect their email address first, what we call an opt-in or landing page, okay? This way, instead of getting just one chance to promote just one product, you have their information on file. You can send them regular emails. Okay, give them new content, encouraging them to buy that product. Or you can even recommend something different that they might like. This gives you multiple ways to make money, which leads me to step number 3. Email your list regularly. Look, I've been doing affiliate marketing and marketing online for 15 years now, and I can tell you firsthand that the most important asset for your online business is your email list. You can take anything away from me right now. You can take my Facebook page. You can take my Instagram profile. You can take my website. Heck, you can even take my real estate properties, okay? As long as I have my email list, I know I'll be safe in the long run. Now, why is that? Because it's one of those things that you truly own in your business. It's one of the only things you truly own in your business. It's not subject to algorithm changes or the whims of the tech giants that created them. It's 100% yours. And by the way, that's why I recommend having multiple products to promote. If you're going to email your list regularly, it would be smart to have more than just one product that you're sharing with them so they don't get sick of hearing about the same thing over and over and over again, right? Not only that, but one product may not be the right fit for your customers. They may come to you and say, hey, I really want to lose weight, but I don't want to cut carbs. Do you have any other recommendations? Well, when you have a host of products in your back pocket, you'll be able to service everyone individually. And that's how you truly build an online business. So if you've been following along, let me just summarize as best I can, okay? The wrong way to do Clickbank or any affiliate marketing is just to spam YouTube and Facebook groups with your affiliate link. The right way to do affiliate marketing, and really specifically on Clickbank or ClickFunnels or anywhere else, is to have a handful of products to promote, grow an email list, and promote products to that list regularly. Now look, I hope this helps you to change the way you're thinking, all right? If you'd like more information on how to grow your email list, how to find the best products to promote, and what to send to your list, all you got to do is hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, because every week I release new videos and I deep dive into how you can build long-term sustainable affiliate marketing businesses from scratch, right? So click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, make sure you don't miss any of these videos. And here's the deal. If you'd like my help getting started, if you're one of those you're sitting here and you're banging away on these computers all the time and you're reading stuff, but you just can't figure out how to just get started, right? If that's you, then here's the deal. Let me just shortcut this for you, okay? All you've got to do is click the link that you see right below this video. Go there. Look right now. Look. It's right below us, okay? There's a link there. Click it. This is going to take you to a completely free video where I talk to you about our Partner with Anthony program. This is where you can just partner with me. I will literally sit right here on this computer and walk you through how to set your email list up, how to connect your email list to your opt-in page. In fact, I even give you the opt-in pages so you don't have to build them, right? And then I show you what products to promote with them. I literally show you the ABCs of affiliate marketing the right way. So many people teach this the wrong way. So many people put these videos out on YouTube and they talk about the quick way, make money real fast, boom. Here's the deal. Look, I have videos that say, here's how I made $2,000 in 24 hours. Here's how I made, $1,000 in 30 days. Or here's how I made, money with no website. Here's the wrong way to do all of that, right? Those things are designed to get your attention. But if you listen to any of my videos, in my videos, I tell you, yes, I made, $20,000 in 30 days or whatever that it may be, whatever video it may be. But then I also say, you're not going to do that. That's not realistic. That's what I'm doing. Right? But here's the method that I'm using. So if you were to use the same method, right, you're not going to get the same results. But if you're at 0 and I'm at 20,000 and you implement my method and you fall anywhere in between where you're at now and where I'm at, it's a win for you, right? So I'm not guaranteeing that what I teach will work for you. I'm telling you it has worked really well for me for over a decade, right? And I try to be transparent. I try to be honest. Of course, when you're on YouTube, Instagram, all that, you've got to play the game, right? You've got to say the wrong way to do it so that I can get your attention. But at the end of the day, I really want to give you good information. I want to teach you the right thing, and I want to be super transparent with you, right? Give you the right expectation. So if you'd like my help doing this, right, just getting your first affiliate sale, just getting your first commission, right? Getting the first person on your email list. If you'd like my help trying to achieve that, all you got to do is click that link below, check out the Partner with Anthony program. It is by far the best thing for someone who is brand new and has not yet started, okay? Has not yet put you haven't jumped in the pool yet. You've just been putting your toe in the water with a bunch of different things. But when you get with the Partner with Anthony program, we let you put your toe in the water and then we push you in, right? The only difference is we put the floaties on you, we make sure you don't drown, and we show you how to do this stuff step by step, okay? So you can click the link below, check out the Partner with Anthony program, and here's the deal. If you love this content, if you love this affiliate marketing training, and if you want more of it, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, make sure you turn the notifications on, so that every single time I post one of these videos, YouTube will let you know and you don't miss out on any of them. And here's the thing. If you've got any questions, leave me a comment below. I love to read your comments. If you're already a part of the Partner with Anthony program, leave some comments below and let everybody know, right? If you've got any questions about affiliate marketing, leave us comments, click the like button, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video helping you with affiliate marketing.
It is said that dreamers are the makers, and dreaming is one of the most important factors while making money. But for earning money, there are so many confusing ways to come forward, right? Well, unconfuse yourself with the best money-making platform you will ever come across. Now, partner with Anthony. You heard it right. It is a partnership because when the money is generated, it goes to both the parties. With an ample amount of affiliated programs available online, you will find yourself lost in the hustle. But here, all you have to do is be a partner with Anthony and sit back and relax in your chair. This allows you to make money online without having to do much. There are many kinds of investors. First one is the ones who want to do it full-time, and second ones are the ones who want to do it full-time. So if you are either of these, then just enroll into the program and see the results yourself. Now, generating money has never been easier, and some super pros when you join Partner with Anthony program are you get a referral link generated for yourself with which you get to earn extra commission. Partnering in this program requires just $7 monthly. So whenever someone joins through you, you make half of it. More and more ways to earn, right? Opening up a new business, 90% of people fail succeeding in a business due to lack of guidance. But with Partner with Anthony, you get a functional training kit which will help you build a good business as well as make profit out of it. Get whooping commissions with the tools provided in the program. You also get exciting tools like ClickFunnels, build redirects, and an amazing email software for your business expansion. So now, go premium in making money with Partner with Anthony and get unlimited benefits. And not only this, but you will also get to interact with Anthony and share your questions with him. So you don't think it's for you, you get your money back in 30 days. But once you get hooked on this, we guarantee you will get addicted to making money. So what are you waiting for? Join the most exclusive program for affiliated money marketing.
I've learned many things from this ongoing pandemic. Survival is not something to take for granted. I lost my job and had to sit home for many months without work, and I got irritated and frustrated about almost everything. Just when I was about to lose my last hope of getting work back, my friend sent me a link to a YouTube video. I didn't have anything better to do, so I opened the video. For the next few minutes, I couldn't get my eyes off the screen, and after the video, I was full of energy and hope, and the video was about Partner with Anthony and how it works. I started watching more and more videos until I couldn't help but join the program. It stated that I can get a full cash back within 30 days if it didn't work for me, and I love the confidence. Once I started the program, I was benefited with many tools up front. But for a newbie like me, it was going to be very difficult. I didn't know anything about making money online or any such program. To my surprise, it was easier than I thought. Everything seemed very possible and doable to me. I started watching program videos, and with the tools like ClickFunnels, build redirects, and email software, I started making money in no time. Amazing, right? Not just this, as Partner with Anthony gave me a referral link generated specifically for me, I started generating money and became an online business owner. It was all I dreamed for. I no longer cared about what I lost, but what I gained from Partner with Anthony, which I consider my savior. Everyone should join Partner with Anthony in order to enhance their knowledge and make money with all sorts of tools. Because here, it doesn't matter if you are a first-timer or a business owner looking for new opportunities. Here, you start at the top level and rise higher. So, I've joined Partner with Anthony. What are you waiting for? Join the most exclusive program for affiliated money marketing.
Hey. The Partner with Anthony program truly is second to none. Unlike loads of other online courses which charge you an extortionate fee and never really teach you anything, the Partner with Anthony program puts you in the driving seat, so that when you make money, so does he. The goal of this program is to become super successful, not just to sell you a really outdated dream that doesn't actually work anymore. This means that it's going to be a win-win for both of you. Now, while this is an amazing opportunity, it's definitely not for everyone. It specifically targets two different types of people. The first one are internet marketers who already have a business that they want to take to the next level and generate an even better income. And the second one is newbies who are ready to start their new business the right way and are ready to invest in themselves and in the future. This means that the program is the most exclusive and cost-effective way of creating and building your own successful online business. So it sounds pretty good already, but the most insane part of this program is that at the moment it's only $7 per month, right now, for full access. This includes exclusive PWA sessions, which walk you through each step of building your new business the right way, exclusive commission links, which allow you to start generating commissions from the same companies who pay Anthony every single month, and finally, access to the business building commission ecosystem. This allows you to partner with Anthony, letting him build your business, doing the work for you so that you can concentrate on generating commissions from the exact same programs that he does. You'll also get access to the weekly PWA live event where you can interact and ask any questions that you might need. Plus, there's even more exclusive bonuses for you for joining now, including a full 30-day money-back guarantee for joining today, with absolutely no questions asked. This means it's completely risk-free for you. If there's something that doesn't work for you, there's no problem, you'll get your money back. With an incredible program like this that can provide up to 70% commission, you really don't want to be missing out. So, for a few founding members, you can access this insane $7 a month investment. The value is actually going to be about $197 a month usually, which would mean that you're getting an exclusive life-changing content for just 3.5% of its actual value. The steps to sign up can be simpler. You just click the Join with Partner with Anthony program link, enter your info, and then you get your login details and bonuses sent in an email directly to you. So, if you're ready to start building your own business, the time to enroll is now. Don't hold yourself back from your financial goals any longer. It's time to get started today. Your future will thank you.